Namaste! Welcome back to my YouTube channel Krishi Aksh. So today we are gonna learn how to install pheromone traps in your field. Farmers, as we all know that the cotton crop gets affected by helicobacter and other cotton bollworms. So to prevent the attack of these pests, pheromone traps are installed. Pheromones are chemicals produced by some species of insects, probably in a way more species than we now know, to communicate with members of the same species. Pheromones are most well known for Lepidoptera. When handling pheromone loose or any other pheromone product, wear disposable gloves to avoid cross-contamination with other products. Can you spot a bollworm here in this flower? So these are the lures used to gain control. Here our agricultural assistant, Mr. Bendugesser, is showing us the proper method for installation. Attach the trap to a wooden stake and on its lead put the lure without touching it by hands, as it may lose its effectiveness. And then close the trap as shown here. Alright, so your pheromone trap is ready. Now let's see how to place it in the field. Mark the location of the traps with bright flashing tape, but keep the tape away from the trap so it doesn't become stuck in it. The trap and the lures were distributed among farmers by the government of Maharashtra. Do not use these for more than 21 days. Handle and store pheromone lures appropriately or they will not be effective. Place the traps so that they do not interfere with each other or with traps for other insects. Monitor faithfully and regularly and keep careful records. Do not rely on trap catch numbers alone for pest management decisions. Thank you.